Hey there, ECU enthusiasts. I just wanted to do a quick update on safety and my latest gear. What's prompting that is I finally had a face plant. What I'll tell you is that I'm okay. It was scary. It happened at a very low speed. I'm going to say probably between 2 and 5 miles an hour. What happened was I was conversing with a biker who did not like the ECUs, and this older gentleman stopped his bike suddenly and turned it sideways, blocking the path. So I either had a choice of hitting him or doing something radical, and there was a concrete wall on one side. So I tried to kind of J-turn out of it, and that did not go well, so I ended up planting. The momentum on that wheel when it cuts there, or you do your thing, is quite solid, and it was very surprising. I was wearing my my half helmet at the time, the 1000, and it's got a little bit of a brim here, and that brim was enough to save my my nose and mouth and teeth. Although I did cut my lip a little bit because my hands went up, and the back of the gauntlets there was enough to cut the teeth on. But that has really kind of opened my eyes a bit. It wasn't a mechanical failure, it wasn't a tire failure, it wasn't a road failure, it wasn't a concentration failure. It was unforeseeable, as it were. So wearing my full face more now. Still wear the other ones, properly adjusted, obviously still reasonably safe. That did allow me to test the motorcycle pants, and as you can see, they are intact. The knees and what have you worked beautifully. The pants aren't even abraded. But I did go ahead and for the winter upgrade my motorcycle jacket as well. So I'll show you this. It's a Rev. What I like about it, a couple of things, is first, it has really wide zippered areas for the wrist guards, which is awesome. And the second thing I like about it is that it has an internal lining that comes out and the mesh for the summer. So I'm hoping that this replaces my summer jacket. At the same time I upgraded the jacket, I upgraded the armor in the jacket. So instead of using the CERN level 1, I'm now using the CERN level 2, which is significantly better in terms of impact and force. This particular jacket has it on the forearms, the shoulders, and the back. And I'll take that off. And the last piece of upgrade I did was to grab a G-form shirt, which I'm wearing right now. And I don't know how much I'll wear this in the future, but for now, I figure it's a piece that's pretty good. You can see it's got shoulders, it's got ribs, it's got sternum protection, so it covers where the jacket does not cover. Let me put this down and take the jacket off. All right, we're back, and the jacket is off. You can see the G-form with the D3O. It's nice because it kind of covers where the jacket doesn't. Opening the jacket up here a little bit for you. You can see the back pad. It's not D3O, but it is a layered material. It's designed for both soft and hard impacts. Yeah, slow speed and high speed, they say. So pretty lengthy in there. This is the internal lining, which I said again zips out. It also serves as a jacket on its own, and you can see through the mesh, I hope, for the breathability. The elbows also cover the forearms, and it's really comfortable. I've actually started wearing this jacket as just a regular jacket in addition to where I'm out riding. So that's quite a long ramble. Still using the Alpine motorcycle boots, still loving those. Still using the D3O Demon wrist guards and loving those. And of course G-form gear as needed depending on what the weather is and what I'm wearing. So hopefully you find that a little bit useful. The bell helmet is I want to say it's a 3DR detachable downhill. Really like it quite a lot. Very comfortable helmet. It's a good looking helmet, and it has my mirror on it. By way of ECU, I'll also say that I'm still loving the M10-5 and the Gotway MCM5 and my M10-3. really the difference is that the M10.5 is used for longer distance cruising, and the M10.3 is used for fun and exercise. So that's how it's breaking down for me. Still waiting on deciding between the Z10 and the M Super X. I really think that for the Z10 is what I want, but I don't want it at a 1 kilowatt battery. I want it at a 1600, so I'm hanging out waiting for that to happen, or for me to actually need an 18-inch wheel. And if I need that before the Z10, say 16 comes out, then I'll go with the M Super X. But so far it's winter time. I've got a few months of cold weather. We'll see what happens. Safe riding.